I will definitely help you to give professional touch to your live streaming on real time. In this video, I'll help you to get familiar with the interface of OBS Studio. So let me show you the interface. Okay, software is installed and it is already loaded, and I'm on main screen of this software right now. You can see the interface here. On the interface on the top, you can see here are the menus, and on the bottom here we have scenes, here we have sources, here we have audio mixers, here we have transition, and here we have controls. So we will start using all the options one by one. I have created a playlist from installation till the configuration and the most advanced features. Link of the playlist is here on this icon or the description below. For other features, please click the next video. I will keep adding videos on specific features on my YouTube channel in this particular playlist. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video on OBS Studio.